Have you ever opened your crayon box and found it completely empty? No colors, no wrappers, just silence. That's exactly what happened to Maya. But what she discovered next was even more shocking. Maya loved drawing more than anything in the world. She drew rocket ships, dragons, giant sandwiches, and magical forests filled with singing owls. But one afternoon, when she opened her crayon box to finish her masterpiece, it was empty. Every single crayon was gone. Suddenly, a tiny voice whispered, "Hello, Maya, down here." She looked closer and saw a little red crayon hiding in the corner. He had a cape, tiny boots, and a very serious frown. "I'm Captain Crayon," he said, "and we have a big problem. The Color Thieves have returned." "Color Thieves?" Maya gasped. "Yes," Captain Crayon nodded. "They sneak in at night and steal colors from everywhere, not just from crayons, but from the sky, the flowers, even your favorite clothes. Come quickly." Maya grabbed her backpack and climbed into her backpack. That's how you travel to Color World. Together, they zoomed into the magical land where colors are born. But it looked wrong. Everything was gray. The Rainbow River had turned to dust, and the pink flamingos were now beige geese. The Color Thieves were nasty little shadow creatures with jars full of stolen colors. They laughed as they dipped their brushes into the stolen hues. Maya stood tall. "We have to stop them." Captain Crayon handed her a glowing paintbrush. "You're the only one who can repaint the world." With one bold swipe, Maya painted a giant swirl of yellow sunshine into the sky. It chased the shadows away. The flamingos turned pink again. The grass grew green and soft. And the Color Thieves, they tripped over their own black and white feet and tumbled into a puddle of blue. Color returned to every corner of the world. Maya smiled. "That's better." Before she left, the crayons all stood in a row and saluted her. "You've earned the title," Captain Crayon said. "From now on, you're General Glitter." And back in her room, Maya opened her crayon box again. Every color was back, and there, at the bottom, was a note. "Thanks for saving Color World. Keep drawing. The world needs your magic."